To add a device, you will have to claim it, for which you need the admin role. You can navigate to the claim page as follows. First, click on Settings, then go to Devices. On the Devices page, click the Claim a New Device button. The device must be connected before it can be claimed. Enter the device's ID, which you can find on the back of the device. Depending on the device, this could be labeled as Device EUI, Node ID, or MAC address. To initiate the claim, press Continue. Next, choose a clear name that will make sense to you later, such as front entrance, back exit, or center hallway. Finally, assign the device to a group. If you do not have any groups yet or want to create a new one, click on the Create New Group button. If the preferred group already exists, select it from the drop-down menu and continue. Now you are all set and done. You can restart the process by pressing Claim Another Device, or you can view the device details by pressing either Claim Device Details or All Devices.